over some meteorology topics. First, surface winds of the western world, and we see some anomalous wind currents in the North Atlantic once again. Some very strong winds here with 90-degree angles to each other, some odd bends happening there, especially north of Iceland. Next, looking at the jet streams of the western world, there are the western jets, and they are all over the place, folks. We've got the jet stream crossing the equator down here. We've got some backward jet stream over the central Pacific Ocean, where the jet stream's actually blowing east to west. Tripled up jet streams and extreme meridional jet stream flow in both hemispheres. Here are the jets of the eastern world. And we see jet stream level counterclockwise rotation here off the coast of Philippines. Let's check the surface winds. And it looks like that system has actually strengthened. So that counterclockwise rotation reaching all the way up to the jet stream. Let's zoom in on that location here and see if we can get a wind speed. Looks like we've got some very high wind speeds there. At over 115 miles per hour, folks. So there's a portion of it clocked in at nearly 120 miles per hour. As I believe this has moved north from where it was located yesterday, off the east coast of Philippines. Next, taking a look at pressure cells here. Pressure cells courtesy of windy.com. Windy.com's got a great mobile app as well, by the way. It's free. We're going to advance this into the GFS forecast. There's the GFS forecast for pressure at tomorrow at noon Eastern Daylight Time. Continuing on, lightningmaps.org. It's a real-time lightning map. We did see some lightning around southern Texas. Give it a minute to load. I'm not sure why it's not showing any strikes. Maybe things calmed down since we did show prep. I'm just going to press refresh just to make sure that we're getting the data here. So bear with me again. We are streaming live to Twitch. And if you're wondering what the URL is because you're not viewing on Twitch, it's twitch.tv/smAsho, the official Twitch account of the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. So it looks like all the lightning that's happening here is off in the Gulf, as the storms we were looking at earlier near Reynosa are now off in the Gulf. So there's the current situation for lightning. Here's a U.S. Doppler radar map. Quite a few showers across various portions of the country. The most major precipitation happening along the Gulf Coast, especially in the Florida Panhandle. Here's the cloud layer. We're using the 3.9 nanometer NASA GOES interactive weather satellite for this. Here's the water vapor map. Some rapid cloud nucleation happening there in around southern Texas, just off the coast of Reynosa. Southern portion of the U.S. dominated by some dry massive air, stretching all the way from Southern California to Alabama. And that's today's meteorology segment. We'll have to say goodbye to Twitch. See you next time, Twitch.